100. It's Sammy Joe hanging with you.
Going,
it was hands
baby?
down one of my favorite concerts I saw the weekend.
We're going to Disney World.
A couple years ago. It was incredible, and he was just at it.
Kita lagi di what is called the name place, babe? College Square.
It's in canvas, no?
You use a brush or no?
No, it's
You look like you,
it's
look like you
crazy.
use like a
No.
like a squeeze thing.
no.
Yeah, you're yeah, like that. You squeeze
ketchup,
like ketchup bottom.
de
Squeeze one.
ketchup, yeah. Entonces lo disuelvo y de acá.
Yeah.
Taco. This place looks so cute. Look at that. Vintage. Sebenarnya kita mau ke daerah paling selatan, tapi lihat ini dulu sebelum ke sana. Karena aku belum pernah ke sini. What is this, baby? Oh, that's kitty. This is my color. See, baby? Rainbow. Slow. Baby, put your face in there.
Yeah, I'm not touching that.
You don't? Okay. Kita lagi ada di Farmers Market. Itu kayak di Indonesia. Tahu sih, tapi harganya mahal-mahal.
No, for the
Yeah.
$5 a pound. You like them?
Yes. It's from your country.
Yes, it is.
Dragon Eye. Yeah. I know it. It's tasty.
Sirsa. Seledri di sini tuh gede-gede banget.
What is that? There's so much fish just in the backyard.
much is that? Oh, $1 for each. Can I buy one? Yeah, I want a necklace. Is it? This one.
Fire teeth.
So cute. Isn't it cute? But you can use for the cat. Is there any real like shell here? Compare the price that yesterday we went to Key. See, blue is really, I like it. It's really cute. I don't know why you don't like blue.
We already started on the green. Yeah, I think green's more refreshing.
Baby! No?
Like, it's also top heavy, you can fall over.
Cute, but we don't celebrate Halloween. Kita gak ngerayain Halloween. Kita tidak merayakan. Yeah, finally home after 2 hours perjalanan. Bolak-balik jadi 4 jam. It was really a nice trip. We visited a lot of places today actually. See you later. Jangan lupa subscribe, like, and comment. Gitu kan biasanya. Bye.